Allah. Hey kids! Let's study about our Creator today. We are Muslims and we believe in Allah. Allah is one and He is our Creator. We pray to Allah. Allah is the Creator of everything. He is the Creator of universe and beyond. Allah has made the earth and everything on it. Allah has created days and nights. Allah has made humans, birds, animals, insects, and everything around us. Allah has blessed us with mother, father, and family who take care of us. Allah gave us food and water to stay alive and shelter to live. Allah has also given food and water to birds and animals. We should all do good deeds and pray 5 times a day. If we are good, Allah would be happy with us. Being a Muslim, we love Allah and thank Allah for everything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.